Lego review. Today I am going to show you this Lego base.
Okay, how did you make it?
I made it with mixing different pieces. So I joined all the different pieces together to make one base.
Okay, can you explain each and every part of this base for us?
So first I'm going to start with the claw.
Okay, what is it?
So the claw can move up and down or left and right.
Okay,
And it has a solar panel here so it can send communications to the base.
all right. Where is exactly is all this? Is it on the Earth or a moon or Mars somewhere?
On the moon.
Okay, it is on the moon. Okay. So where is it sending the information?
It's sending the information to the whole base so they can send back the communications to the
Earth.
Earth.
Okay, all right. Now, next part, which part you want to tell
Next
us?
part I'm going to tell you about the rope and the hook and this man
Okay.
named Robert.
Robert, okay.
Robert is hanging because he was stuck on the Mars and then the base saved him and came on the base on the moon.
Okay, all right, all right. Okay.
Next I'm going to tell this lady and the hoverboard.
Okay, okay.
This lady's name is Stacy.
Stacy, all right.
Stacy is a scientist which she's the repairer of the hoverboard.
Can you show us the Stacy? Where is she?
Stacy's here.
Oh, she repairs the hoverboard, is it?
She repairs the hoverboard.
Okay, okay.
And she's wearing a safety helmet right
Okay.
over here
All right.
to repair the hoverboard.
Okay, all right.
Next I'm going to tell about this astronaut and the jet.
Okay.
So this astronaut,
Can I see the astronaut properly?
see,
Okay.
the
let me
astronaut
see.
is right over here.
Show me the astronaut. Can you remove your hand? Yeah, okay.
And the astronaut is doing communications to repair the jet.
Okay, all right.
And now I'm going to tell you about the jet.
Okay, tell me.
So first the jet's wings.
Jet's wings, okay.
So the jet's wings can move up and down.
All right. Okay,
Like this.
okay.
Now I'm going to tell you about this vehicle.
Can you show it from this side, other side? Yeah.
This is the Mars or Moon exploration vehicle.
Okay, Mars exploration vehicle. Okay, what it does?
It takes packages to the people who live on Mars
Oh, all right. Okay.
or Moon,
Okay.
whatever it is.
Okay.
And now I'm going to tell you about this policeman.
Okay, where is it? Okay, this guy.
With a
Okay,
mustache.
This guy with mustache. Okay, got it.
His name is
Hmm.
his name is Tally.
Tally. Okay.
So Tally is a policeman who works on Mars or Moon.
Okay.
So they saved him, which on the base.
Okay.
Now I'm going to tell about this girl.
Okay.
Her name is Layla.
Can you show? Her name is Layla. Okay.
Layla.
Okay.
So Layla is standing over here because she has been doing with the crane.
Okay.
She's doing the work with the crane.
Okay.
The rope and the hook.
What do you use this crane for?
We use this crane for saving people.
Okay. All right.
Whatever emergency there is. So they first Robert is here.
Okay.
And then the hook, Robert takes the hook and then it moves up or
Okay.
something.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it can go up?
Yeah.
How?
Like they'll sit here and then pull the base up and so this.
Okay. So it
Now
can
I'm going to tell about this lineman.
Okay, who is that? Where is it? Can I see it?
He's
Okay,
driving
lineman.
the ship.
Okay, lineman.
So
all
the
right.
ship has control.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to tell you about this fireman
Can we see it closely from? Like, okay.
with the cap.
Cap.
His
Okay.
name is Bill.
Bill. Okay.
Bill knows all about locations
Okay.
where we have to go on the where we have to land on the moon, that like that.
Okay. Okay.
Next, I'm going to tell about the whole base.
Okay. Please.
So this is the waiting room,
Okay. This is the waiting room. All right.
and this is where the Mars exploration parks, where the Mars
Okay,
and Moon
parking area.
exploration parking area, yeah, and the
Okay.
claws area too.
Claws area. Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
And did you say about this whether it can detach or something like that? Can this entire thing get detached? Your
Yeah.
jet? Can you tell a word about it? Okay, how it does? Okay.
It's attached here,
Okay.
and then when we take it out, it detaches.
So it can fly on its own?
Yeah, it can fly on its own also.
Okay, cool.
Thank you, everyone.
Welcome. Thank you so much for giving us all the information. And do keep a watch on which channel? Rudraksha Lego Review?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.